Hi guys, it is day 5 of product reviews. So today we are going to be, I'm flashy. Today we are going to be reviewing straight out of the box the Calexotics French Kiss Elite Siren. This one, freaking ring light. This one interests me because it has a rose-esque type of situation going on here. I don't really know a whole heck of a lot about this toy, so let's just get into it. Let me see if I can show you this without the ring light glare. So this is what it looks like. And I will also take it out of the box. Before we do that, I'm going to read the back of it and kind of give you guys an idea and myself an idea of what this toy is about. So it says, independently operated dual motors with 10 tantalizing functions of vibration. Okay. Pulsation and escalation. Teaser and bullet may be used independently or simultaneously, so that's cool. Sensual flickering teaser for passionate play. That's in this part of it. Irresistibly textured vibrating bullet for deep stimulation. Independent dual memory chips. Premium silicone. It'll resume on the last function used. That's really cool. Toys that have that function I like a lot, because if you have your one preferred that is kind of just like your go-to, you can always leave it on that function, and when you come back to it, you don't have to sit there and click through the buttons to find the one that you like. Body safe, unscented, waterproof, submersible, and there's a 1-year warranty, so that's cool. USB charger. It's magnetic charging, so that's easy too. And then it says 60 minutes on high speed, which is how long it'll run for, or 80 minutes on low speed, and then it charges in an hour and a half. Okay, so let's open it up. This one seems promising. The last one was a dud, so I'm really excited to try something that's going to work. Alright, okay, so this is cool. I'm gonna take this zip tie off. Hold on. Oh, there's 2 of them. Unboxing videos are so fun unedited because I actually don't know why they're fun. You just get all of my stupid commentary. So instead of it being stiff, this is like a little rope. So that's really cool. So you can kind of like bend it and move it in any kind of direction that you need it to without it being annoying. Let's see if this one is charged at all. I might have to charge it overnight. Oh, there we go. Okay. Is there a button on this side at all, or is it just this one? No, it's just this one button. Okay, so we figured out how to get that to work. There we go. Okay, so the top button's power and also changes the functions of, that's, okay. I can't talk while there's 2 separate vibration noises. Okay, so this top button here, it looks like there's something on my hand. This is the power button, but it also scrolls through the functions of this portion of the toy. And then there's one more button. It's a bottom button. You can't really see it, but there's a bottom button that controls this portion of the toy. So I like the feel of it. It looks really nice. It looks super high quality. So that's sick. Here is the charger. So this one's a little bit bulkier, but the magnetic charging is so much better because that means that you can get the toys wet. So easy done day, you just need a box. And then I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna open up this bottom portion of the box and see if there's anything else in here besides the instruction manual. If there's a little carrying case or anything, if I can get it out. just the instructions. So no carrying case with this one, but that's okay. You have multiple toys, you have carrying cases that you could use multifunctionally with your other toys, so that's fine. That is going to be it for today's video. Tomorrow I will be, hello, brain fart. Tomorrow I will be reviewing the toy based on how it performs. So I'll be trying the toy out and then giving you all of that information on top of just what the box says. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.